This is the story of our first time in a helicopter. We're on our way right now to Jersey City. Jersey City?
No, we're going to Kearney. Kearney?
You guys been busy, huh?
Oh, man.
So that one's a Blade helicopter.
Paul is the guy who invited us to go up. He's the director of photography for a company called Flying Nylon. They take aerial photos and videos, like these. They started in New York and have expanded to Los Angeles, San Francisco, Vegas, and Miami. We showed up a couple hours before our flight to document the process. Here's the helicopter we went up in. And here's where it takes off from. You go up with 5 other people, and there's no doors. So they strap you and your cameras in. All right, let's do this thing. Your pilot will be kind of like your tour guide.
Then we'll cut down over the city.
This is called the Blue Hour flight. So not quite sunset, but pretty much right after it. And here's what it looks like once you take off.
What's up?
Thank you.
Wow. I mean, just unbelievable.